Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ilya's World. Today my project is multiplication app using LiQWYD app lab. Let's move on to the video. In screen main, I have used a multiplication image. In label 1, I have written let's learn multiplication in fun way and a button start. In screenplay, I have used label number 1, a empty box, label number 2, a empty box, label multiplication, a into, text input answer, the white box, the label answer, the hidden box, and a button check. In screen win, I have used congratulation image. In screen lose, I have used better luck next time image. Let's move on to the coding part. Starting the code with variable number 1 is equals to random number 1 to 12. Variable number 2 is equals to random number 1 to 12. Set text label number 1 number 1. Set text label number 2 to number 2. On even code by clicking the button start. Setting the screen to screen play. One more on even code by clicking the button check variable user answer in equal to 0. Set text to label answer. Get label number 1 and label number 2. User answer is equals to get number in label answer. Answer is the text input answer. If the user answer is equal to the system answer, set screen to screen win or else screen lose. Let's run and play. That's all friends, this is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share to your friends. Bye bye. My name is Muhammad from LiQWYD.